It is easy to hate and it is difficult to love. This is how the whole scheme of things works. All good things are difficult to achieve, and bad things are very easy to get. Don't stop chasing your dreams, because dreams do come true. People throw stones at you and you convert them into milestones. I have never tried to compare myself to anyone else. The key to handling pressure situations like these is to keep yourself steady, follow your instincts and think clearly. If you remain humble, people will give you love and respect even after you have finished with the game. As a parent, I would be happier hearing people say, Sachin is a good human being than Sachin is a great cricketer any day. As far as the World Cup is concerned, it is a process. We don't want to jump to the 50th floor straight away. We must start on the ground floor. I hate losing and cricket being my first love. Once I enter the ground it's a different zone altogether, and that hunger for winning is always there. Critics haven't taught me my cricket, and they don't know what my body and mind are up to. Every individual has his own style, his own way of presenting himself on and off the field. Son, life is like a book. It has numerous chapters. It also has many a lesson in it. It is made up of a wide variety of experiences and resembles a pendulum where success and failure, joy and sorrow are merely extremes of the central reality. The lessons to be learnt from success and failure are equally important. More often than not, failure and sorrow are bigger teachers than success and happiness. I have never thought where I will go or forced any targets on myself. If destiny throws a stone at you, don't let it become a millstone. Make it into a milestone. I am not thinking too far ahead, just want to take it one thing at a time. Chase your dreams. But make sure you don't find shortcuts. I just keep it simple. Watch the ball and play it on merit. Everyone at home was very supportive, but my father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. When there is time to think about cricket, I think, but when there is time to be with family, I try to do justice to that aspect of my life as well. Making an effort is in your hands. Giving 100% is in your hands. It is important to understand that if you do fall, it's important for you to get right back up again. Competitive spirit has played a huge role in making me what I am. Whatever level you reach, getting better never stops. Presence is actually very important in international sport. It is one thing just being there in the middle, but it is another making people aware of your presence. It is about body language and radiating confidence, something that the West Indian batting legend Viv Richards would personify. A champion team needs only a small window of opportunity to stage a fight back, something I had learnt over the years. My point of view is that when I am playing cricket, I cannot think that this game is less or more important. I was part of a band of 11 fortunate men who had been given the duty of representing close to 1 billion Indians. It was an honor every aspiring cricketer lives for, to play for his country against the best of world cricket. And with the honor came responsibility. I was going to be accountable to the cricket fans back home and was expected to give my best for them. When trying to save a match, the important thing is to set small targets. I want to give my 6 hours of serious cricket on the ground and then take whatever the result. When trying to save a match, the important thing is to set small targets. These can be as little as batting the next 5 overs, or the next hour, or even a session. If a wicket doesn't fall for close to a session, the opposition, however much they are in control, are bound to feel pressure. Time was gradually running out for England and restlessness was creeping in. Beating Pakistan is always special because they are a tough team and we have a bit of a history regarding Pakistan. And that is the reason why this victory is great, because different players have made contributions to the win. I am a sportsman and not a politician. I am a sportsman and will always remain one. I am not going to enter politics giving up cricket, which is my life. I will continue to play cricket. The only thing that was on my mind was, I want to play for India one day, and I was pretty sure and confident that one day I will. When I walk into bat, I should know that yes, I've prepared to the best of my ability. I couldn't have done anything better. That is when I feel that I am ready to go out and play. It doesn't always happen according to the way you have planned things out, but I feel if you have covered most of the aspects, it does help out there in the middle. I feel when somebody has been playing cricket for a long time, he creates a separate identity for himself. At least with me, the match starts much earlier than the actual match. The power of imagination. I believe every era has its significance, and the same holds true for players and coaches. It seems to me that no autobiography can claim to document every detail of the author's life. That's impossible. If you don't execute on your plans, then you don't reach anywhere. It's about not accepting every challenge thrown at you. Sometimes you hold back, and when it's needed you go for it. I fail sometimes, I succeed sometimes, so that's fair enough. It's a package deal. It comes with that package, failures and success,